how to choose a crazy good niche using AI. So first of all, a niche is a specific group of people or businesses you focus on serving with your agency. So in short, your chosen target market. So why does this matter? Because there are so many agencies out there, and if you pick the wrong niche, you'll compete with thousands of people, and it will be way harder to succeed. So first up is pick something you connect with, right? So the best niches is one you already know something about, you have some past experience in, or at least have some interest in. For example, for me, it was basketball coaches. I wasn't coaching basketball, but I loved basketball. And so it was something I could connect with, and it was so much easier for me to get into that. Now, avoid top niches. If you already heard niche mentioned by YouTube guru or seen it in an SMMA video, stay away. Like Medspas, solar companies, lawyers, roofers, remodelers, blah blah blah. Like these niches are so competitive, and it's not worth for you going into them if you don't have crazy skills or crazy a lot of case studies, and yeah, it's just 10 times more difficult. Now, what you can do is you can use ChatGPT to find a better niche. So now you know what to avoid. And if you open ChatGPT and you copy this prompt into it, and then run it a couple of times until you find the niche that has low competition, has money to spend, and preferably feels like something you can connect with. Now, anything above 70 is strong and worth exploring. Now, 60 to 70, that's pretty good, and you can still use it. Now, under 60, most likely try to choose another niche. Now, if you want the whole document, you can join my free SMMA course and community. I have the link in the description, and also you can find the link in bio. Now, your final step, your homework, is to choose your niche. So finally, look through the results and pick one that feels right for you. And that's it. Let's get to work.